Hello guys, welcome back. This is Rana Tajammul and I hope you are doing well. In today's video tutorial, we will discuss how to edit a PDF file in very easy way. A lot of people consider it very difficult, so I will show you in few steps how to edit a PDF file or form. So first of all, you need to go at any search engine like I am here on Google Chrome. Just you need to type pdf to go.com and hit the enter button, right? After that, you will see a edit PDF button. You need to click on that. After clicking on edit PDF button, here you can see another button which is choose file. By clicking on choose file button, you can choose a file which you wanna to edit. I wanted to edit postmortem v3 file, so I am opening that file because I wanted to edit that file. So it may take some time, you need to wait. I am waiting. So my file is prepared and I can edit it out. So I am scrolling it up. There is some blank spaces where I am putting my information. So here is a text button, pencil, whiteout, highlight. There are different options or buttons you can select accordingly or according to your requirements. So I am selecting text because I wanted to add some text here. So I am typing my name Muhammad Tajammul and organization name. Here I am typing my organization name, Bahria University. So you can also fill your information in your form accordingly. So I am putting my name and organization name. After filling your form, you can click on save as button. After that, you should click on save button. File is preparing, you need to wait for some time. Now file is prepared, we have to click on download button. After clicking on download button, our file is downloaded. This is actually edited file which we edited just now. You can see there is my name Muhammad Tajammul and Bahria University organization name. Edited file is here. You can also edit your file accordingly. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.